Yes, students, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hmm. So, tutorial we are going to discuss today. Hmm. So, in today's tutorial, we will discuss two case studies about the business ethics. So, usually in the initial phase, we will start with the case studies only. So, case studies are the detailed study of various situations. आता केस स्टडीचा अर्थ प्रत्येक सब्जेक्ट नुसार that it is having somewhat different meaning. So suppose if you are studying some software subject, there you have to consider the examples of the particular relative case studies. But here when we are considering the case studies for business ethics, so at the initial stage, I have intentionally given the case studies for your tutorial questions. So because already for assignment, you are having that regular questions that explain the globalization, explain sustainability. जे रेग्युलर पॅटर्नचे क्वेश्चन्स आहेत ते ऑलरेडी असाइनमेंट मध्ये आहेच. But apart from that, the practical things you have to discuss in somewhat different manner. That's why that kind of questions I have added in the tutorial. Okay, so again, what are questions I have given you in the last week for tutorial? So 2 case studies I have given. So again, number of responses are somewhat less. So I have given the frequent instructions to you. Based on that, the attendance will be there, but still it is not up to the satisfaction. So you just think on that. काही केस स्टडीज त्यातल्या काही तुम्हाला समजल्या नाहीत का? Is it means what is the difficulty level that you feel? What are questions I have given? Is it that much difficult that you are not able to understand? Yes, I am frankly asking. That questions also we will discuss. But initially, 2 questions which I have planned, those are somewhat easy. हे डिस्कस केल्यानंतर आपण ट्युटोरियलचे क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करू if you want. 2 questions I have given for tutorial number 1. So it was difficult or it was means okay to write the answer? Your opinion I am asking. Yes, you can tell it. Yes, Shivani. क्वेश्चन्स जे ट्युटोरियलला दिले होते तुम्हाला ते सोपे होते का अवघड होते खूप? मीन्स meaning was means it was easy for you to understand the meaning of that questions. Case studies I have given 2 case studies. So
Yes,
meaning
ma'am.
means it was possible for you to understand the question and write the answers. Okay, still if you want we will
Yes, ma'am.
discuss
Medium
it.
level question.
काय होते?
Hard नव्हते मॅम जास्त.
जास्त हार्ड नव्हते. ओके. So simple case studies today also we will discuss. And at least for initial 3-4 tutorials, I have planned to take the case studies only instead of giving the simple questions. So tutorial number 2 we will discuss today. That is, so 2 case studies we have to discuss. So if you search on the internet case studies in business ethics, त्याच्यामध्ये वेगवेगळे टाइप आहेत. So case studies based on the integrity, case studies based on the decision making, case studies based on the means how to tackle the situation when some malpractice is there, or whenever you are in the moral dilemma. Morally you are understanding that this is not right to do, but there are some other sides when you are doing your job that and you are forcefully asked to do that particular action. That's why like that we will consider as ethical dilemma situation. मग असे वेगवेगळे केस स्टडीज आपल्याला स्टडी करायचे. Okay, so this first question here that is related with if you are getting some information about injustice is there with someone, then as a supervisor or as a as their representative, what action is expected to be taken from your side? Okay, so that kind of question it is there. First, I request all of you to listen carefully so that you will understand. So the question is Sarah, so that is name considered here. Sarah was recently promoted to managerial position at her industrial engineering company. So recently she has got the manager position at some industry. With her new position, she is now responsible for overseeing the company's production factory, meaning approximately 50 factory workers now report to her. So she has been newly appointed in the company and 50 workers are working under her. So although Sarah previously worked as an engineer and does not have any experience running a factory, she is excited to begin her new position. So sometimes very additional information it is also given at the start. Not necessary that every thing is related to question. So just to make that case study somewhat big, that is giving additional description also. So what is given here? She is recently working in the company, newly joined, and this is her first experience to work as a supervisor. So around 50 workers are reporting to her, means she is their representative. That is given at the initial phase. Then in second paragraph, at the end of her first day, Sarah is confused to see her factory workers continuing to work well past the end of their 8 hours shift. So what is the second paragraph? First information, when she has her first day in the company, she is confused to see that factory workers continue to work well past the end of their 8 hours shift. Means after 8 hours shift also, the people are working for extra hours. So after observing that, what she does? She goes to the factory supervisor who reports to her. म्हणजे ती ज्यांना reporting आहे. There she goes and to express the concern because the factory does not have the budget to pay so many workers overtime. So when she observes that people are working for extra hours, but they are not getting any overtime for that, then she reports the same thing to the supervisor. Then the supervisor smiles at Sarah and explains that the factory meets production goals by making the factory workers work off the clock. The workers are well aware of this expectation and went along with it in order to keep their jobs. So what answer is given by the supervisor? That this is the usual practice because company has to get done the work from the workers in the expected schedule only, but they will not get extra money for that. किंवा indirectly काय आपण म्हणू शकतो की त्यांचं शेड्यूल जे आहे ते फॉलो करण्यासाठी आणि टाइम मध्ये टास्क कंप्लीट होण्यासाठी the company is expecting this from the workers, means they should work extra hours without giving any incentive, and that is the usual practice. And Sarah was asking whether the company does not have the sufficient budget for that. So this was the answer given by the supervisor to Sarah. Sarah is shocked to learn this illegal practice and had become part of the company culture. But the supervisor explains that the company CEO, who is Sarah's boss, is well aware about this situation. So when she, okay, so I was disconnected due to some net issue. My voice is audible to everyone? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute. I will share the screen once again. Okay, now it is visible properly. The question. Yes, you can answer in the chat box also. Is it visible? Screen is visible or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So when she feels that this is illegal and that should not happen, then the supervisor explains her that the CEO of the company is also aware about this situation, and he is also aware about this expectation from the workers that without any complaint or without any extra expectation, they should do their duties for the extra hours. So this is the situation given, and at this situation it is asked, what should Sarah do? So this is the case study question given here. So what will be the answer for this? You understood this situation? Please have some participation. Are you clear with what is asked, what is given and what is asked in this situation? What Sarah should do under this situation? Okay, so I now want answers from you. One by one I can write their key points so that we can discuss. Please give the answers. Yes, Srushti, can you give some answer? Okay, just a minute. You just think for 1 minute. Just think for 1 minute and give the answer. Are you clear with what is asked in the question? Yes, Srushti. What is given and what is asked, is that clear? Sakshi. Omkar. Are you getting what she should or what is asked in this question particularly? Sagar Patil. Are you at least clear what is asked in the question that I am asking? Abhishek. Nobody is responding. Shreya, is it clear what is given in the question and what is asked?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you give some answer for this? What that Sarah should do under such situation? So I will explain in simple words once again. Suppose you are joining in a new company and there you are some people are under you for work. So you are there, you can say you are their supervisor or you are the representative of that team, and 50 workers are working under you as per your guidance. And at the first day you observe that the workers are working after company hours also, but without getting any extra benefit, economical benefit for that. And then you report that to the your supervisor. तुमच्या सुपरवायझरला किंवा तुमचा वरचा जो अथॉरिटी आहे त्याला तुम्ही सांगता की this is happening. So whether the company is not having budget for paying to their extra load or extra work, then the supervisor says that they are working to fulfill the target in time. म्हणजे ते त्यांचं कामच आहे, आपलं टार्गेट वेळेवरती कंप्लीट करण्यासाठी त्यांनी एक्स्ट्रा आवर्स काम करायला पाहिजे. दॅट इज द expected only. So, and that is also known to the CEO of the company. So under such situation, what she should do, that is asked as a question. So what can you, anyone contribute the answer from your side, or you can put yourself at that position and you can give the answer? Yes, try to give the answer. Can you give answer, Shreya?
Yes, ma'am. She should talk to the boss and tell him or her that what the company is doing is illegal.
she should tell the boss, or you can say that she can make aware the boss. Okay, she can make aware the boss about illegal aspect. So whatever they are doing, that is illegal. She can make aware to the boss about illegal aspect. That is one thing. So we can say not directly warning, but making aware. That is the one option. She can tell, she can be polite and she can tell that this is illegal thing, and also she can make him aware, or she can inform him about its future effects. Okay. For example, suppose today's generation, आताचे जे workers आहेत, they may work without any complaint after your working hours also, but maybe in future generation or in the next slot, the employee can or the workers can make some complaint, or they can take some what we can say, somewhat drastic step can be also taken by the workers. If they are means there are various unions for the workers, and under such, if this issue it is very strongly discussed, then very what we can say, strong actions can be also taken by the workers. So that I am concerning as a future risk. So as part of your duty, you have to inform to the boss, or you can inform to your supervisor as well as chief executive officer. This is the illegal aspect, and as a right of employee, they should get the financial benefit if they are working for the extra hours. That is one thing she can do. Another thing, can anyone tell? And second, here only what I have written, she can inform or she can also make aware the boss about the future risk. ह्याच्यामधून future मध्ये काय problem येऊ शकतात, that also she can make him aware about that. So that is first thing. Okay, then second, any other answer for this? Anybody else? Or Shreya, you can also give the answer. What other things that she can do? One thing, she can just warn or make aware about that situation to the boss of the company, or main owner of the company, or through the proper hierarchy. Means through supervisor, through more higher position person, she can take the steps. That is one thing. What other things she can do? Yes. Who has given the answer for first? This one. Was it Shreya? She can aware the boss.
Yes, ma'am.
Any other thing or any other answer can you suggest? Drushti, your voice is not audible.
If she wants, she can also stop the work until the employee get paid for their extra work.
She can stop her.
Hello?
Yes. Now you are audible. Continue, please. Now
Yes, ma'am. She can also stop her work with employees until the
Now again it is disconnected. Hello, Srushti. Your voice is not audible now. Are you there in the meeting? I think she is disconnected. Okay. She can stop her work. Okay. Another concern is if she feels
Hello, ma'am.
that, yes. Yes, audible. Continue the answer.
She can also stop their work if she wants until the payment gets paid for the workers who are doing the work after the company hours also.
Okay, she can stop her work till the workers get overtime, we can say. आपल्या बोली भाषेमध्ये आपण त्याला overtime म्हणतो. Okay, so she can stop working or she can stop cooperating to the company till the workers get overtime. So you can also say it as a strike. जसं आपल्याकडे नेहमी होतो. Okay, so she can stop the working. That is another option. Okay, good answer. Any other person? Please try to give the answers. Shivani.
Ma'am,
Ah.
there is one correction. Workers get paid for their overtime.
Worker can?
Workers get paid for their overtime. She can stop her work till the workers get paid.
Okay, but when the workers will get overtime, overtime चा अर्थच होतो की they are getting the extra benefit. So overtime word is used in that concern only. Overtime चा अर्थ काय होतो? Overtime मिळतो म्हणजे जे काही तुम्ही एक्स्ट्रा काम करता त्याचे तुम्हाला पैसे मिळतात. That is the meaning of overtime. Okay. That only you are saying, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Any other option for this? They strike करू शकतात or they can start cooperating the company for their particular unit. That can be done. Then any another answer? Last one I am asking. Yes, who will give the answer? Shivani, can you give the answer? What Sarah should do? Yes. Ashwini More, are you there? Ashwini More is there for the
Yes, ma'am.
lecture? Can you tell some answer for this? Are you understanding what question is given?
Yes, ma'am.
काय करायला पाहिजे सारानी ह्या कंडिशन मध्ये किंवा काय काय ती करू शकते? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन, she can make aware the boss about illegal aspect and she can inform him about the future risk. She can stop working till the workers get paid for the overtime. That is second. Third, what she can do? Yes, what she can do?
Ma'am, she can also threaten the higher authority for leaving the job with workers.
I was unable to hear. Please repeat it. Yes, please repeat. Please repeat your answer. I could not understand what you said.
If it's possible, she can also threaten the higher authority with the working employees for leaving the job.
By leaving the job, what that middle part only I am unable to understand. Can you please repeat it once again? In Marathi also you can tell.
जर सॅलरी नाही दिली तर मग वर्कर्स सोबत त्यांनी जॉब सोडण्याची धमकी देऊ शकते.
Okay. So they can stop their work or they can tell that they will not continue till they get the overtime. Okay, means they can have some fight for their right. Okay, so that only I will write in the simple word, fight for their right. Okay, means she can discuss with the workers and she can make aware them that is the injustice happening with them and they have to fight for their right. जो त्यांचा अधिकार आहे तो त्यांना मिळायला पाहिजे. जर ते एक्स्ट्रा काम करत असेल तर त्याचे त्यांना पैसे मिळायला पाहिजे. लाईक दॅट शी कॅन ऑल्सो डिस्कस विथ द वर्कर्स अँड शी कॅन गाईड देम टू टेक द अप्रोप्रिएट ऍक्शन. Okay, so these are the somewhat things. Again, another thing she
आणि
can do.
मॅम सॅलरी हॅलो
Yes.
सॅलरी देऊ शकत नसतील अप्रोप्रिएट टाइम मध्ये तर ऍटलिस्ट फंक्शनली बोनस देऊ शकतात.
Okay. So it can be, I will write it as incentive in other forms. किंवा at periodically म्हणजे जर महिन्याला देता येत नसेल. So just for your information I am telling, in some of the companies, mostly in company, in the March month the production is peak period. म्हणजे एखाद्या प्रोडक्शनचं जास्त किंवा कुठल्याही प्रोडक्टचं जास्त प्रोडक्शन मार्च मध्ये होतं. तर युजली काय होतं बऱ्याच कंपन्यामध्ये मार्चचं जे पेमेंट असतं, सो अलॉंग विथ देअर रेग्युलर पेमेंट दे आर प्रोव्हाइडिंग ऍडिशनल इन्सेंटिव्ह फॉर दॅट पेमेंट ऑफ द मार्च. म्हणजे मार्चचं जे पेमेंट एप्रिल मध्ये पे होतं, फॉर दॅट दे आर गिव्हिंग द ऍडिशनल इन्सेंटिव्ह. अँड means I have also worked the company, and in that company there was one incentive in our pay scale. So that intensive was in proportionate with the production. म्हणजे त्या मशीनचे किंवा तुम्ही ज्याच्यावरती काम करता त्या मशीनचं किती प्रोडक्शन झालंय आणि त्याचे किती युनिट डिस्पॅच झाले ह्याच्या प्रोपोर्शनेट मध्ये तुमचा तो एक इन्सेंटिव्ह असायचा, एक स्पेसिफिक इन्सेंटिव्ह. सो दिस इन्सेंटिव्ह वॉज हॅव्हिंग हायर व्हॅल्यू फॉर द मंथ ऑफ द मार्च. जेव्हा कमी असेल प्रोडक्शन तेव्हा दिस इज ऑब्विसली लेस. सो दॅट काइंड ऑफ थिंग दे कॅन प्रोव्हाइड. म्हणजे त्या वर्कर्सची रिलेटेड जे काही प्रोडक्शन आहे तो एक इन्सेंटिव्ह म्हणून ते देऊ शकतात. ओव्हर टाइम ऍक्च्युअली देऊ शकत नसतील तर मीन्स दे शुड गेट द बेनिफिट किंवा त्यांचं त्यांना कुठल्या ना कुठल्या स्वरूपात त्याचं व्हॅल्युएशन होऊन तो बेनिफिट त्यांना मिळायला पाहिजे. ओके, दॅट इज ऑल्सो गुड आन्सर गिवन. ओके, सो दीज आर द some of the answers. Again, any answer from your side or shall we conclude for this particular question? Any other view? See, that is very good that you are participating at least. So that is very good thing. Anybody else?
मॅडम असं करू नये म्हणून त्यांनी ऑन पेपर बॉन्ड पण करून घेऊ शकतात.
What? Repeat please. On paper काय करू शकता? Okay. So on paper increment you are saying. On paper they can ask. तुमचा आवाज
नाही
ब्रेक होतो.
असा सेम इश्यू नंतर होऊ नये म्हणून बॉन्ड करून घेऊ शकतात की जर एखादा लेबर जर एक्स्ट्रा वर्क करत असेल तर त्याला पेमेंट अदरवाइज बोनस एक्स्ट्रा इन्सेंटिव्ह भेटला पाहिजे.
Or that can be said that making clear the things or clear the clause whatever are there on paper. Okay, so it may not be every time. कधी कधी फक्त लोड जास्त असेल तरच एक्स्ट्रा काम करावं लागतं. अदरवाइज इन टाइम यू कॅन फिनिश युअर वर्क. ओके, सो दॅट काइंड ऑफ agreements or that kind of things can be made clear or the your agreement, not exactly bond, but we can say that तुमचे जे तुम्हाला एक नॉर्म्स दिले जातात किंवा कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट जे डॉक्युमेंट असतं त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्ही हा क्लॉज ऍड करू शकता की इफ एनीबडी इज हॅव्हिंग एक्स्ट्रा ओव्हर टाइम they should get value for that. Okay, so, or they should get evaluation for that. So this kind of things can be done. Another thing that is that she can stop working with the company because she may feel that हे जर कल्चर असेल तर उद्या असंही होऊ शकतं की I may also work for some extra time and I will not get benefit. किंवा जरी उद्या मी माझ्या पोस्टला माझ्याकडून जे एक्सपेक्टेड आहे त्यापेक्षा जरी जास्त कॉन्ट्रीब्युशन दिलं तरी आय मे नॉट गेट द व्हॅल्युएशन वॉट एव्हर आय डिझर्व. सो शी मे स्टॉप वर्किंग द जॉब or she may resign. That is one step. Again, if she has that much guts and courage, she can also make complaint against this particular thing by taking that workers with her. Okay, so these are the possible actions which can be taken by Sarah. So is it clear to everyone? I hope various answers are given from your side also. That is good. So this was the first case study. Now the second case study. That actually case study's description is far मोठं असतं. So many times it takes time only to understand what is given. So if you see the various exams at higher level, त्याच्यामध्ये बऱ्याच ठिकाणी अशा केस स्टडीज दिलेल्या असतात. So this is not related only with business ethics, but whenever you are doing PhD or whenever you are doing some higher education, everywhere this kind of case studies are very important, because case study means what? Instantly you are reading that, you are imagining that situation, and your logic you are applying there. That's why these are very important. आता इथं जो शब्द वापरलेला आहे पहिला, कन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. कन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट म्हणजे सपोज इफ समथिंग रॉंग इज हॅपनिंग, व्हॉट एव्हर इज नॉट एक्सपेक्टेड, त्याला म्हणतात कन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. आणि याच्यामधला हा कॉन्फिडेन्शियालिटीचा सिनारिओ आहे. ओके, सो व्हॉट इज आस्क्ड इन दिस क्वेश्चन? सो आय विल जस्ट एंटर हियर. यू आर 6th year graduate student. म्हणजे सपोज दे आर कन्सिडरिंग दॅट their last year graduation student. Now you consider you are final year student at a large university in the final months of your dissertation research on novel photonics material. So suppose you are at the final year and you are at the final phase of your project. Then you are worried about your next appointment and have applied for several postdoctoral positions in the field, plus a few tenure track assistant professorships at universities where you would like to work. So as you are at the final year, you have applied for the various industries for your next job, and to your surprise and to your pleasure, you are okay. So this one it is. To your surprise and pleasure, you are invited for an interview for a tenure track appointment at your undergraduate alma mater, a prestigious research institution in a city where you already have connections and would love to live. Okay, so this is more explanation given. Just you can consider that you have applied for the interview, or you have applied for the job, and suddenly wherever you are interested a lot to work from that institute, you get a call for the interview. तुम्ही फायनल इयर मध्ये आहात, तुमच्या प्रोजेक्टच्या लास्ट फेज मध्ये आहात, वेगवेगळ्या ठिकाणी तुम्ही अप्लाय केलंय, आणि जिथं तुमच्या आवडीची कंपनी आहे किंवा वेअर यू इट इज युअर ड्रीम टू वर्क, यू गेट द इंटरव्यू कॉल फ्रॉम दॅट कंपनी. देन in the question and answer period following your seminar on your research, the department chair asks for detailed information about the novel material preparation technique developed in your graduate research and used extensively in your experiment. See, what is the meaning of this? In the interview, you are asked about your research methodology. Whatever the research you have done, based on that the questions are asked. आता कुठलाही research असेल तर that is confidential. No one is telling their technique, how they are getting the results, because that is their credit. So that interviewer are asking you about the key points of your research and its detailed information. Then your group is working on a patent application and its members have arranged, or its members have agreed not to provide details until a paper currently being prepared is submitted for publication. So what is its meaning? की तुमचे जे काही टीम मेंबर्स आहेत, तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी असं एग्रीमेंट केलेलं आहे की जोपर्यंत आपलं हे काम कम्प्लीट होऊन ह्याच्यावरती आपलं काही पेपर पब्लिकेशन होत नाही तोपर्यंत ह्याची मेन इन्फॉर्मेशन वी शुड नॉट डिस्क्लोज एनिवेअर. अँड युअर ऍडवायझरचा अर्थ काय होतो हिअर? द ऍडवायझर मीन्स नथिंग बट गाईड. Your thesis advisor will be giving the first major presentation on the technique at a major international conference in couple months. So म्हणजे तुमच्या टीम मध्ये पण तुमचं एग्रीमेंट झालेलं आहे की हे पब्लिश झाल्याशिवाय आपण ही इन्फॉर्मेशन कुठे डिस्क्लोज करायची नाही. Your guide is also going to publish the paper based on your research in one of the conference after 2 months. Then you answer that you and your colleagues are in the process of writing it up for publication and a patent application, and you would be glad to send them an early preprint when it is available. आता तुम्हाला तुमच्या इंटरव्ह्यू मध्ये क्वेश्चन विचारलाय, तुमच्या रिसर्च बद्दल की पॉइंट्स विचारले, पण तुमच्या ग्रुप मेंबर सोबत तुमचं एग्रीमेंट आहे, त्यामुळे तुम्ही तिथं काय सांगता पोलाइटली? दॅट you and your colleagues are in the process of writing for the publication. आणि पेटंट ऍप्लिकेशन, पेटंट म्हणजे काय? ते प्रत्येकाच्या नावी एक डॉक्युमेंट असतं, दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज द पेटंट. म्हणजे मी एखादा रिसर्च केला तर त्याचं पेटंट आपण फाईल करतो तेव्हा त्याचे राईट फक्त आपल्याकडे राहतं. मग काय आन्सर देता तुम्ही त्या केसमध्ये? दॅट myself and my colleagues we are working on that product, and when its first version will be ready, the patent first version जेव्हा रेडी होईल तेव्हा we will give it to you for your reading. Means instead of directly saying no, त्याची माहिती देणार नाही असं डायरेक्टली सांगण्याऐवजी तुम्ही काय करता? You tell that you are working or you are trying for the patent, and once it is ready you can give it for their reference. Okay. So that is the answer given by you. Then next, after the, okay, so next what happens? I will just take it in the next paragraph. After the seminar, in your private interview with the chair, chair म्हणजे काय? मेन पर्सन जो इंटरव्ह्यू घेणार असतो. इंटरव्ह्यू मध्ये वेगवेगळे 3 टाइपचे इंटरव्ह्यूज असतात. Technical interview, personal interview. Okay, then here it is private interview, that is nothing but the personal interview. Interview मध्ये group discussion पण होतं, but last round is there for the interview, that is called as personal interview, or it is also called as private interview. So after the seminar, in your private interview with the chair, he pushes harder for this information, remarking that department sees 6 team players willing to share the information with department colleagues, and referring to their undergraduate roots and the need to prove that you are one of them to be a viable candidate for the position. So what you should do? म्हणजे याचा अर्थ काय? शेवटी काय होतं की तिथे तुम्ही रिफ्यूज करता थोडक्यात तुमचं इन्फॉर्मेशन सांगायला. But the person gets disappointed because of that, or maybe his ego is hurt, and because of that in personal interview again you are forced to tell about the key points of your research. म्हणजे मेन जे कॉन्फिडेन्शियल गोष्टी असतात रिसर्च मधल्या त्या तुम्हाला सांगा म्हणून थोडक्यात इनडायरेक्टली फोर्स केलं जातं. And what they are giving you the explanation to tell that point, that our department seek the team player. And to be a good team player, you should have trust on us, and you should tell the confidential things of your research. म्हणजे जर तुम्हाला इथे जॉबची ऑफर पाहिजे असेल तर ते तुम्हाला करावं लागेल, अशी सिच्युएशन आहे. And under this situation, what you should do? That is first question. Again, what are the interests of various players? Various players म्हणजे कोण? जे Players means what? Those who are involved in this case study. First player is yourself. What is your interest? Another player is your colleagues. What is their interest? Another player is the your guide. What is his interest? What are the interests of company? The second part मध्ये लिहायचं तुम्हाला. What are the interests of the various players? And third, where are, okay, just a minute. Third, where are their conflict of interest and what are your options? म्हणजे जे काही चुकीचं होईल अशा कुठल्या गोष्टी आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये, किंवा जे काही चुकीचं वाटतंय तुम्हाला अशा कुठल्या गोष्टी आहेत आणि त्या सॉल्व्ह करण्यासाठी तुमचे काय काय ऑप्शन असू शकतात. किंवा ह्याला तुम्ही मेन 2 पार्ट मध्ये डिवाइड करू शकता. व्हॉट आर द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द व्हेरियस प्लेयर्स, प्रत्येकाला काय हवंय, दॅट इज द फर्स्ट आन्सर or that is the first question, and then what you should do under this situation. So are you getting the question? Yes, are you getting the question what is given here? त्यामुळे ह्याला काय म्हणलेलं आहे, conflict of interest case study. So whenever something is not there as per the rule, त्याचं काहीतरी तुम्ही justification देता, त्याला म्हणतात conflict of interest. So what is conflict of interest in this case? That is also asked. So you first tell me whether the question is clear to you, what is given and what is asked. Yes, Srushti? Whether the question is clear to you? What is given and what is asked?
मॅम एकदा समराइज करता क्विक.
Okay. So quickly I will summarize that you are a final year student. You are a final year student, and as a final year student or final year PhD student, you are applying for various posts. तुम्ही जॉब साठी अप्लाय करताय. एका चांगल्या कंपनीकडून किंवा जिथं जॉब करण्याची तुमची इच्छा आहे अशा कंपनीकडून तुम्हाला इंटरव्ह्यूचं लेटर येतं. You go there for interview. And in that interview, they are asking you about the confidential things about your project. म्हणजे जनरली PhD वगैरे करताना जे तुमचा रिसर्च असतो, that is very confidential thing. They are not, it is not shared with anybody until completion of your that particular project. किंवा तुम्ही जरी 4 मेंबर्स प्रोजेक्ट वरती काम करत असला तर ते फक्त 4 मेंबर मध्येच त्या गोष्टी माहिती असल्या पाहिजेत. That is the expected thing. So तुम्ही इंटरव्ह्यूला जाता and that person is asking you about the confidential things in the research, but instead of directly saying no, what you say that की तुम्ही त्याच्यासाठी काहीतरी पेटंटचं वगैरे ट्राय करताय आणि एकदा ते रिलीज झालं की आम्ही तुम्हाला त्याचे डिटेल्स देऊ. म्हणजे थोडक्यात तुम्ही नाही म्हणून सांगताय, एवढं लक्षात घ्या. आणि तुम्ही नाही म्हणून सांगितल्यामुळं that person gets what we can say disappointed, and in your private interview again you are forced to tell the confidential thing. म्हणजे थोडक्यात तुम्हाला काय सांगण्यात येतं की तुम्हाला जर इथं जॉब करायचा असेल तर you have to share the details with us, but you have agreement with your teammate that जोपर्यंत हे पूर्ण काम कंप्लीट होत नाही तोपर्यंत आपण ह्याचे कॉन्फिडेन्शियल डिटेल्स कुठंच रिव्हील करायचे नाहीत किंवा ते कुणालाच माहिती होऊ द्यायचे नाहीत. आणि अगेन अनदर थिंग इज गिवन की तुमचे जे गाईड आहेत, दॅट गाईड इज गोइंग टू गिव्ह प्रेझेंटेशन ऑन दॅट टॉपिक इन सम कॉन्फरन्स. आणि लास्टला तुम्हाला इंटरव्ह्यू मध्ये असं सांगण्यात येतं की द टीम वर्क इज एक्सपेक्टेड, सो इट इज एक्सपेक्टेड फ्रॉम यू टू रिव्हील द पर्टिक्युलर डिटेल्स. मग अशा केसमध्ये तुम्ही काय करायला पाहिजे, दॅट इज लेट मी फर्स्ट आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन, व्हॉट यू शुड डू. And second question is what are the interests of the various player. वेगवेगळ्यांच्या लोकांचे काय इंटरेस्ट आहेत या पर्टिक्युलर केस स्टडी मध्ये. म्हणजे इंटरव्ह्यू घेणाऱ्याला काय वाटतंय, त्याचा काय इंटरेस्ट असेल. व्हॉट इज द ओपिनियन ऑफ युअर टीममेट्स, व्हॉट इज युअर इंटरेस्ट, व्हॉट इज इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द ऍडवायझर. लाईक दिस इट इज आस्क्ड इन द क्वेश्चन. Or these 2 questions also right now I will not consider. Let us focus on the first part only, what you should do. Now is it clear? What is the question? So clear or not? समजलं
Yes,
का
ma'am.
question?
Clear. Yes.
You just think on that. What can be your answer? You can write down that points. So this we will discuss in the next tutorial part. Okay, so today we will stop here. If any doubt in understanding the question, you can ask. Question is clear to everyone? Yes, Shreya. Audumbar, you joined late for the lecture.
Yes, ma'am. Electricity problem.
Okay, but you understood this question?
Yes, ma'am.
So you try to think on that. If you want, I can give this question. I can send these 2 questions to you on your WhatsApp group, or you can just take a screenshot right now on your mobile. Take screenshot of this question first, so that you can have that question with you and you can give answer for this. So today we will stop here. I will just keep this question open for 1 minute. You can take screenshot, put your number in the chat box, and you can leave the meeting.